Hi, I'm Eric Knowles. I'm the president of the Miami-Dade Chamber of Commerce, and welcome to our Member Connection. I'm excited about another event that we are presenting to you. And before we get started, let's hear from one of our sponsors.
Hi, I'm Matthew Pinzer, the Chief Marketing Officer at Jackson Health System. We're proud to be partnering with the Miami-Dade Chamber of Commerce to bring you this video series. We hope that it helps you to find new business opportunities across our community, and we look forward to working with you as we move into a new year.
So today we're back again. It's Monday, and we're having our Member Connection. And also, this month, October, is Hispanic Heritage Month. And I just want to welcome and introduce to you our member, Alonso Gomez of FBM and Complete Control. Hey, Alonso.
Hey, good morning. How you doing, Eric?
I'm doing great. And we're celebrating Hispanic Heritage Month. And I just would like to ask your perspective on celebrating Hispanic heritage.
I think it's important. I think being able to first, I want to say thank you to the Chamber, Miami-Dade Chamber of Commerce, for giving me this opportunity to speak in front of the crowd. I think it's important to be able to recognize minority groups and show how they've been able to succeed in the community and been able to contribute to our local economy.
Oh, that's great. You have been very engaged with the chamber, and we truly appreciate your commitment to the chamber. As we meet every Tuesday and Friday since we've been in the middle of COVID. And you have been engaged, as I said, tremendously in giving your input and your perspective on how you have pivoted since COVID hit. And so let's talk about that a little bit before we find out about FBM and Complete Control. And tell them about who Alonso is, and then let's talk about COVID and how you pivoted.
Okay. My name is Alonso Gomez. I was born in Colombia, Cali, Colombia. I was raised here in Miami. I came here in 1986, I'm sorry. At 18, I joined the Marine Corps. I had an opportunity to travel around the world with the Marines. I got out in 2002, moved back to Miami, stayed here for a few years, and ended up moving to DC. I worked in DC for a little bit for the Washington, DC Metro. Ended up coming back here again, finished my degree at the University of Miami, and I left again. Worked in Hawaii for several years, and I moved back about 5 years ago. Miami has been my home. It's my hometown. It's always been my home. I always end up coming back. And about 3 years ago, I decided I wanted to open up my own business. I decided that having my own business, I was going to make a bigger difference. And so I decided to open up Complete Control LLC. And this year we opened up Florida Building Name.
Wow. So again, we were talking about COVID, and I know obviously you've had to pivot in the middle of that. So how has COVID impacted your business?
We've seen a drastic change in how things are done. For example, face-to-face meetings have been pretty much non-existent. I've had to do a lot more of my work telecommuting. I'm able to assist my customers through remote access. So because we are in a technology field, it makes it a little bit easier. They're a lot more understanding. But we've definitely had to pivot. Some of the government projects that we were working on were put on hold because of the uncertainty in what was happening with the economy. We're starting to see some of the private sector pick up again, which is good. We were expecting that to happen during this time.
So tell us about Complete Control. What is, like you said, you started a new company, but Complete Control was the first one, correct?
Complete Control is our first company, Complete Control LLC. So what we do is we do building automation controls, energy management systems for commercial buildings or high-end residential. We develop energy saving strategies for our customers. We do service calls. We help the customers with their existing systems by testing and troubleshooting and making sure that all their sensors are calibrated and their equipment is up to date. The reason why we wanted to do Complete Control LLC is because there are a lot of companies out there that do building automation controls, energy management systems, but they limit their customers on how much access they have to their equipment. And I think that is one of the biggest downfalls to having an energy management system. You would want to have full access to something that you paid thousands of dollars for. So why not give it to the customer? It does put us a little bit at risk because we are giving them full access and they can change whatever they want to change or add another contractor to come in. But if you buy something, we believe that you own it and we want to give you full access to it. Sorry, go ahead. You were going to say something, Eric?
I was going to say, explain that when you talk about systems controls in a building, what does that mean? I mean, I come in my office, I know the air conditioner is on, the lights are on. So what is that?
Okay. So for example, at your house, most of us have smart thermostats where you can control it through an app, or you can, it senses when you're home, it senses when you're away. Not everybody has it, but some of us do. For a building, it's something similar where they have a complete control system where you have your booster pumps for your water for your high-rise buildings. You have your multiple AC units that are controlled through a control system that not only measures temperature but measures humidity, measures outside air, and it through an algorithm produces cool air to the spaces depending on the occupancy and the CO2 levels. So it's pretty complex, but it's for tenant comfort and for energy savings.
Okay, so FBM, that's a busy guy. So
with FBM, Florida Building Maintenance, I am a co-founder. I am the CEO. I do work with day-to-day operations in the company, but I do have my operations guys and my marketing guys that handle the rest of the operations. We do building maintenance and janitorial. We do pressure washing, things like that, but we use eco-friendly products. How we stand out is we make sure that our customers are satisfied 100% with our quality of work. Sometimes it might take a little bit longer, and we might not make money on every project or every service call, but we make sure that our customers are satisfied.
Absolutely. So you've been a member of the chamber for a while. So why is it important that you be a member of the Miami-Dade Chamber of Commerce?
I think I heard about the Miami-Dade Chamber of Commerce through a cousin of mine, and then I started looking up the chambers, and I found the Miami-Dade Chamber of Commerce was the best fit for me. I feel like I've been able to communicate and get in touch with my local community, and all the members of the chamber are amazing. They're great. They're willing to help each other out. I've made some really great contacts, made great friends with the chamber, and I couldn't be happier, honestly.
That's great. So if someone wants to get in touch with Alonso through FBM or Complete Control, how can they do that?
Okay, so you can reach us through Instagram, through Facebook. We have websites. My email is alonsog@completecontrolflorida.com or alonsog@fbmaintenance.com. Our office numbers are 305-496-2440. And then from there, we can direct you to the different companies.
All right. Well, if you want to know more about the Miami-Dade Chamber, you can go to www.m-dcc.org. or you can call the chamber at 305-751-8648. And I just want to thank Alonso Gomez of FBM in Complete Control. Alonso, thank you so much, and we look forward to seeing you in the near future.
Thank you, Mr. Knowles.
Thank you.